In the last video, we have learned about platform checks and how we can use them to run code depending on which platform our app is running on. If we wanted, we could now go ahead and write some code in here to show a Cupertino alert dialog. However, our submit method is now getting quite large, and I think it's not a good idea to have this kind of platform checks in our code like this. What I'm going to do instead is to propose a different approach that we will use to abstract away platform differences by creating some custom platform-aware widgets. So what I'm going to do now is to create a new file inside Common Widgets. So I'm going to create a new Dart file, and I'm going to name this platform_widget, like this. Now, before I go ahead, I want to clarify that I will write some code using abstract classes. So if you need to revisit them, you can go back to my introduction to Dart on section 2 of this course. Okay, so here we go. Here I'm going to create a new stateless widget, and I'm going to name this platform widget, like this. And I'm going to import material, like this. And now that this is created, I'm going to make it into an abstract class, like this. Then I'm going to create a couple of abstract methods. The first one returns an object of type widget, and it's going to be called build Cupertino widget. And I'm going to give it a build context parameter, and then a semicolon in the end, because this method will have to be implemented by subclasses. Then I'm going to create another method which also returns a widget, and I'm going to call it build material widget. And this also takes a build context parameter, like this. And then inside the build method, I can type in if platform.isIOS, like this. I can import Dart.io, and then inside the bracket, return build Cupertino widget with context. Otherwise, return build material widget with context. Okay, so it's now time to explain this code. So what we have done here is to create an abstract platform widget class that we can use as a template to define our own platform-aware widgets. So the intention here is that we can create platform widget subclasses, and each subclass needs to override both the build Cupertino widget and build material widget methods, while the code for checking which one to call is abstracted away by the build method of the platform widget base class. So let's continue on the next video.